Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Okay, good
ma'am.
Afternoon,
afternoon.
ma'am.
I
Good
hope you
afternoon.
are ready to learn,
Good
isn't it?
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, ready?
Ma'am.
Yes. So, Akhil,
Yes, ma'am.
can
Yes,
you just
ma'am.
tell me what we have learned in the previous class? Yes. Gurujit? Yes, tell me what we have learned. Yes, Farhan?
Backspace.
We have
Delete key.
okay, after that, we have learned how to change the color, isn't it? Of our
Yes,
font. Yes,
ma'am.
now we are going to learn more
Ma'am,
about
dear learn
this
also
chapter.
size.
Yes, so now we are going to learn more. So, in the previous class, we have learned till this topic, isn't it? How to change the font color. Now we are going to learn about some basic commands. Okay, take your rough book and write. If you want to make your text bold, you will use bold command. Okay? If you want to make your text or if you want to italicize your text, then you will use italic command. Okay? And if you want to underline your text, you will use underline command. Here you can see the basic commands. B stands for bold, I stands for italic, and U stands for underline. So there are basically three basic commands. Now we are going to learn. It is bold, italic, and underline. If you want to bold your text, you will use bold command. If you want to italicize your text, you will use italic command. And if you want to underline your text, you will use underline command. Now let's see how we can use these commands. Okay, now I'm going to show you the practical side. Let me take the PowerPoint. See, this is my text, isn't it? If I want to bold my text, first I have to select it. You know how to select, isn't it? I have selected my text. Here you can see the command. Can you see the command? Bold command? Yes? Yes. See, now my text is bold, isn't it? Yes? Yeah. I will show you once again. Let me zoom my screen so that it will be okay. Now I think it is clear, visible to you. First, I'm going to select my text. After that, if I want to bold my text, I will use bold command. Okay. Here you can see the change, isn't it? Yes. If I want to italicize my text, I will use the second one. This one, I. I stands for italic. Can you see the change? Yes. The text has been slanted to the right side, isn't it? See, once again. This is my normal text, isn't it? First, I will select this. To italicize that, I will select the italic command. See, it has been tilted, isn't it? It has been tilted to the right side. Yes? Yeah. Now, third command is underline. Here you can see U, isn't it? Yes. If I want to underline my text, I have to click this. Yes. What a beauty, isn't it? Yes? Crystal, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. So these are the basic commands. Okay. Now we are moving to the next command. It is increase font size, decrease font size, strike through, text, shadow, change keys. Now we are going to learn some more font commands. First one is increase font size. Here you can see the example, isn't it? What is the use of this? If you want to increase the font size of the selected text, you can use this command. Okay, if you press decrease font size command, it will decrease the font size of the selected text. Next to the standard font size, strike through. Here you can see the example of the strike through. Can you just tell me what is the meaning of this strike through command? Can anyone tell me? If you want to make a line through the text, here you can see the example, isn't it? See, this is my text. Okay, if I want to make a line through this, or if I want to strike my text, I will use strike through command, isn't it? What do you mean by shadow, text shadow? Here you can see the example. What is that? If you want to add a shadow to the text, you can use text shadow command. And last one is change keys. Please note it down. Note it down in your rough book. Change keys. Do you know what is that? It helps or it lets us to try different capitalization options without having to delete or retype letters or words. Okay? Now let's see the uses. Now let's see how to use these commands. Okay? First one is increase font size. See, it will increase our font size. Decrease means reduce. Strike through. It will make a line through our text. Shadow, you know. Devdutt, you know what is the meaning of shadow, isn't it? Yes? Yes. Next is change case. It will help us to try different capitalization options. Okay, now let's see how we can implement this. So first of all, you have to type a text, isn't it? Yes, my text is my school. Okay, now we are going to see how to use increase font size. Can you see at the top? Can you see the command font size? Increase font size? Ivan, can you see? Ivan,
Yes,
Eric?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, now let's see how we can do this. For that, first I have to select the text. I have selected my text. If I click this, you can see our font size has been increasing. Yes. Yes. Next is font decrease font size. If you want to reduce the size, you have to press this command. Can you say this? If I press this, our font size has been decreasing. Okay. Next is strike through. This is the strike through command. Can you see this? Yes. If you want to cross something, you will use this. If you want to cross something out by drawing a line, you can use this command. Can you see this? Yes. See now. Now look at the board. Yes, if you want to strike, if you want to draw a line through your phone, you will use this command. Which is this command? Strike through. Okay, next is shadow. See, this is our normal phone, isn't it? If I use this text shadow command, can you see the shadow? Can you see the shadow? Yes. I'll repeat it once again. See, this is our normal phone, isn't it? After selecting our phone, see, not this one, this is underlined. And this one, if I press this text shadow, can you see the change? Yes. Yes. Can you see the shadow? Sarah, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you. So this is how you can add shadow. And our last topic is change keys. Here you can see the option change keys. Okay. First, there are different change cases. First one is sentence case. What is the meaning of sentence case? It capitalizes the first letter of each sentence. See this? In my text, M is capital and S is capital, isn't it? If I press sentence case or if I choose sentence case, only M will be capital because it will only capitalize the first letter of each letter. Okay, lower case means, what is the meaning of lowercase? Small letters. Okay. If you press uppercase, all letters will be in capital form, isn't it? Capitalize each word means each word's starting letter will be capitalized. Okay. It capitalizes the first letter of each word. There are two words here, isn't it? My and school. M will be capital here and S will be also capital here. Toggle case. See in this example, M is capital and S is capital, isn't it? When I press toggle case, what happened? Can anyone tell me what happened? Yes, Megha, tell me what happened.
Other, except for my and S, the
Uh,
other letters became bigger.
so what, can you just explain what is the meaning of the toggle case, or what is the
It
function of the
means
toggle case?
that
Mm.
the first letter will be small and the other letters will become bigger.
Okay, it's like that. Akshit, can you just tell me? Thank you, Mega. It reverse. Akshit, can you just tell me? Yes. Ayan Bino? Ayan Bin? Yes. Can you just
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what is the difference? What you have seen?
Ma'am, M and S become small.
Uh-huh.
And
And I
Others
got
become
the
capital.
answer.
Tell me.
Reversation.
Yes. Excellent. See, my normal in my normal phone, M and S is capital, isn't it? Rest of them are in small. When I press toggle keys, it reverse, isn't it? Reverse,
Yes.
it reverses the keys. That is what is toggle keys. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So let's discuss about this once again, about the other phone commands. See, first you have to type your text, isn't it? So I'm going to type my text. My text is, okay, is that clear? First, for first is our increase phone size. First you have to select, isn't it? You all are clear with this concept. This is the increase font size command. If you press this, the size will be increased. Okay. Second one is decrease font size. If you want to decrease the size, you have to click this. Okay. Most of you are having doubts in change keys. This is the change keys command. Okay. Here you can see one arrow. You have to click this. Then you can see many cases. What is sentence case? Means the first letter will be capital. Okay, lowercase means all will be in small letter, uppercase, all will be in capital letter. Capitalize each word means each word will be capitalized. Okay, toggle case means just reverse. Okay? Yes. Okay. Our next topic is text alignment. Before that, let me ask you one question. Have you ever visited library of your school? Have
yes,
you
ma'am.
ever visited?
Yes.
Can you just tell me, you have seen that books are being arranged in proper, isn't it?
yes.
Yes,
Story
ma'am.
wise.
Yes.
In
So
story
in
and
yes,
English and
in
one
okay. In
Hindi
other
like
words,
that.
I can say that it has been aligned properly, which means that it has been arranged properly.
Order wise.
Yes, like that. In this topic, we are going to learn about text alignment. There are different types of text alignment. Okay, you can write it down, you can note it down. So, what do you mean by text alignment? Placement of the text between the left and right margin. Okay, the distance of the text from left and right margin is called text alignment. You all have pages, isn't it? It have margins left and right. This is your left margin and this is your right margin. You used to write in this, isn't it? If you want, you can draw left margin. In the case of max and all, you used to draw left margin also, isn't it? For doing rough calculations like that, we have two margins, left margin and right margin. So what is aligning text or text alignment? Placement of the text between the left margin and right margin. So basically there are four types of alignment. Align text left, align text right, third one center, and fourth one justify. Okay? First one you can also call as left align or left alignment. Okay, both are correct. So first one is align text left or left alignment. Second one, align text right or right align or right alignment. Okay. Then center, then justify. So basically there are four types of text alignment. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. So now we are going to discuss about this. First one is left alignment. Okay. Or left align. What is the meaning of this? It means that arranging text in a straight line at the left margin. Here you can see the left margin. This is your left margin, isn't it? Here you can see the text are being arranged in the right, in a straight line in the left side, isn't it? See, all the text have been arranged in straight line in the left side, isn't it? Yes, and but it is uneven in the right side. Yes, this is your left side. So in left alignment, it means that arranging text in a straight line at the left margin. Okay, arranging text in a straight line at the left margin. Here you can see the command, left alignment command or left align command. Okay, yes. Now let's see how we can do. So now I am going to take my text. Let me shorten it. Okay. Yes. By default, okay. See. I'm going to press left align or align left button. Okay. Can you see the difference? On the left side, our text is in a straight line, isn't it? Left side. Yes. What about the right align? This is the right align command or align right command. So what is the use? On the right side, it will be straight, isn't it? Yes. Yes. So text is in the right, is in the straight in the right side, but it will be uneven in the left side. What about the center? This is our third one, center align. Can you just tell me, Randi, about the center align? What is center align? Yes, unmute. Unmute, my dear. Randi?
Yes.
Can you just tell me what you mean by central line? Here you on the screen you can see. So what is central line?
Central line.
Text is in the center or right on or on the left side. See, this is the left, okay? All the text will be in straight line in the left margin with respect to the left margin. If I press central line, what will happen? Or what you can see on the board? The text is in the center, isn't it? With respect to left and right, isn't it, Farhan? Yes, Farhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, excellent. Our fourth one is justify. Now, Anthony will tell me what is the meaning of justify. You can see the change. So, what is justify? Yes, Anthony, unmute. Yes. Anthony, unmute. Yes, tell me. Yes. See, this is the justify alignment. See, this is right. Sorry, this is left. If I press justify alignment, what you can see on the board? Look at the left and right margin. What is the difference?
It changed one place to another.
Repeat.
It changed beginning.
See this? When you just say, look at the left and right margin. In the left margin, you can see it is straight in the left margin, isn't it? Text with respect to the left margin, but it is uneven in the right side. What about the right align? Text is in the right, is in straight line, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
With respect to the right margin, but it is uneven in the with respect to the left margin. But if I click justify, now tell me, what is the difference?
It is to both sides same.
Very good. Excellent. Text is arranged in straight line, both with respect to the left and right margin, isn't it? Yes? Yes. So these are the four alignments. This is left, then center. This is the center. This is the left align, and this is the justify. Okay? It distributes our text evenly between the margins. Which are the margins? Left and right. Okay? Yes? I'll repeat the question. Have you ever gone through the newspaper? Have you ever read something?
I have only
you
read
ever
the
seen
headings.
newspaper?
Yes.
Ah,
Only read.
I have seen newspaper.
I know that most of you have not seen the newspaper.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have seen the newspaper.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Now
have
this
seen the
is okay.
newspaper.
Now your homework is that you have to tell me which alignment they are using. On the next day, this is homework. You have to tell me which alignment they are using, left or right or center or justify. For headings, we use center. You know that. Yes? What about the articles they write? Which alignment they are using? You have to tell me that. Is that clear? Yes. So moving to the next topic. So let us discuss it once again. So left alignment, you have seen this. Next is right alignment or right align. In this type of alignment, the text flows begins from the right and ends in left. Isn't it? Here you can see the example. Then center align, which means that the text has been positioned in the middle. Here you can see the example with respect to the left margin and right margin. Okay? Yes. And next one is justify. It means that the text is spaced out evenly between left margin and right margin. In simple sentence, you can say that the text is arranged in straight line, both in the left margin with respect to the left margin and right margin. Okay? Yes. Okay? Yes. Moving to our last topic, it is about text box. Okay, we also use text box to insert our text. So we have learned about placeholders. Using placeholders also, we can insert our text, and we can also use text box. For that, first we have to go to the insert tab. Okay, there you can see the text box. Can you see the text box? Now let's see how to insert the text box. First, you have to select the text box. I have selected the text box, then click the text box command this is in the text group. Can you see the group name? Yes, this is the text group. In the text group, you can find text box. Okay, then you have to click, after selecting that, you have to click and drag the cursor until the text box is in the desired position. Okay, can you see this? Yes, this is how. Can you see the text box? Yes, this is how you can insert the text box. After that, you can enter your text in that. Okay? Now, we can move this. Okay? First, you have to click for moving the text box, first you have to click the text box, then cursor becomes a cross with arrows. Can you see this? Cross with arrows, see? Can you see the cursor? Yes. Then, while holding with the mouse button, we can move. Can you see? Yes, this is how you can move the text box. Okay? Now, last topic, to resize. If you want to resize, you can either click on the square sizing handles. Can you see the square sizing handles? Yes. You can click this. Then you can resize this. Okay. Then there is one option called rotate. You can also rotate. Yes. Okay. If you want, you can place like this. It depends upon you. Okay. Yes. Okay. Our chapter is finished. Is it simple or tough? Yes, Amaya? George? Yes? Is it simple or tough?
ma'am.
It is very interesting, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Very.
Is it easy?
Very
Easy.
It is very easy. Yes?
Very easy.
That's all for today. Bye. Have a nice
Zahra
day.
is present.